What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today I'm doing a follow-up on my Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. So I've had these for a couple of weeks now, and I want to come back and talk about my experience with these so far. And I have to say these are great right off the bat, but I'll go a little more into it as the video goes on. So before I bought these, I was still using the OG original ones here. These are AirPods, the first ones. Now, I did pick up the 3rd gen as well, but I didn't see too much of a difference in those and these, except they redesigned them a little bit. And I also have the 2nd gen as well, but I gave those to my wife. So it was time for an upgrade, and they had these for like $50 off for $200 compared to the $250. I think I got them on Prime Day, or maybe I got them before Prime Day. But now these are great, have been great for phone calls, listening to music, watching videos and things like that. These have been great. Now these don't have the best bass sound on them, but they're very clear highs and mids. So as far as that, they're great. They also have an excellent fit. These came with 4 different ear tips, I think, maybe 3. And they have the extra small ones in here, and these actually fit my ears very well. I have issues with earbuds like this. They go into your ear channel. They don't actually feel great in my ears most of the time, but Apple put those small ones in there, and I can wear these all day. Honestly, they feel great in my ear, and I'm glad I picked them up. So the design of these are similar to the 3rd gen, but a big design change from the original. As you guys see, the stem is much more shorter, and these are just a little stubby, kind of stubby. I do like the way these look in your ear better, fit in my ear better, I guess. But these, I get a great fit with these since I put the small one on there. Good tight fit in the ear, so not bad. But let's go around the case. So the case has a lanyard place right here. So you can put a lanyard there. You're going to have an external speaker. Now that speaker can be used if you lose your AirPods. You can find them, find my AirPods with that. You can play an audible sound when you're charging. You got your lightning port there, and I'm not sure what this one is here. If I figure it out, I'll put it on the display here. You got your pairing button back here in the back, and then you have a charging LED right there. So the case is a little bit wider than the original ones. You guys see the white part in there. This has a case on it, but a little bit wider, but still very pocketable. And the case, now I wish these came in different colors than the white. The white is clean, but I just wish they came in different colors. So the fit and finish on these are great, feel great in my ear. No problems with that. The sound is okay. They don't have the most bass that I've had in a pair of earbuds, but they do sound great. So the Apple ecosystem worked great with my iPhone, my Apple Watch, with my tablet, with my desktop here as well, Mac Mini. And so let's talk about the chip in here. So this has what they call a H2 chip. Now this is supposed to be for smarter noise cancellation, better battery life, and superior 3-dimensional sound. And also these have adaptive transparency mode on here as well. So what that is if you have it in transparency mode, it will block out external loud noises such as maybe a train, dog barking, cars going by. When you're having a conversation, it'll eliminate a lot of that stuff right there. So that is good as well. So the spatial audio on here is excellent as well. Real good. You turn your head this way, it looks like the music is following that ear. You turn it the other way, it's going to be following that ear as well. So spatial audio is good also. Now ANC, active noise cancellation, is off the chain with these. This is some of the best active noise cancellation I've heard. When you put them in your ear and you activate that, you're not going to hear anything. You're going to be in tune to that, whatever you're listening to, podcasts, music, watching a video. You're going to be tuned out to the outside world. So that is excellent as well. Now, they say you can get 6 hours worth of battery life out of these, and up to 30 hours when you have it, with the case as well. So these have been great, man. Work good with Siri, talking on phone calls. People don't even know that I'm using these, and they sound great as well. Looking at the device here, you see you got your different vents here, probably for your microphone, for noise cancellation, pressure in the ears and things like that. Now you control these with the little stem here. You can press on this to stop and start calls. You can swipe up and down to increase the volume, things like that, and they work great. So there's also an app right here. Let me open that up. So here's the app that you have here. So you're going to see you got your battery percentage. You got the earbuds. You have the battery percentage for the case, the battery percentage for the earbuds. You can name these whatever you want to name them. You can activate transparency mode or noise cancellation. Tells you to press and hold the Airpods for different things here for transparency mode and noise cancellation per earbud. Tells you that you can press once for answer the call, press twice. You can set that how you want it. You got your loud sound reduction, automatic ear detection. Take one out, it stops. That's always good to have. Connect automatically to your iPhone or device, or you can set it to where you want. The spatial audio here. Now I have customized that for my ears. You can do that with that. Microphone, you can set it to automatic or whatever you want here. Let's see what the other choices. Always left AirPod or always right. And then you got your optimized battery charging. Find my AirPods. So let me show you how that works with the little speaker on there. Let me go into it. So this is what it's going to look like. And so it's telling me I'm here, but if I wanted to play an audible to find it, so this is actually coming from the case. Let's do that again. And you also have a little flashing LED there as well. So that is awesome right there. Let's go back in. So that is find my AirPods. Let's see where were we here. You got ear fit test, accessibility. You got things in here, different things here. And that is pretty much it, I think, guys. So that is the little app that you have. You can go in there. But overall, I think these are great pickup for me. They're not the best sounding, but when you want active noise cancellation, these are some of the best that I've had so far. So I'm enjoying them. But if something changes or I find out something different about these, I'll definitely come back and make another video about them. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy them. So Will H, catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.